Hello, everyone. My name is Dalilah Campos, and I'm a fourth year PhD candidate in the Earth and Environment Department and a fourth year urban trainee. This summer, I'm doing an internship at the Independent Evaluation Group, or IEG, which is the World Bank Independent Evaluation Unit. Today, I want to share some of this experience with everyone. Water stress is increasing everywhere around the world, but access to water resources and infrastructure remains very much unequal. And today, more than 2 billion people don't have proper access to water. And in many low-income countries, most of the population experiences some sort of water stress. At the same time, governments and international organizations, they have limited resources and must make very difficult decisions about where to invest. And this raises an important question, which is, are water interventions actually reaching the places that need them the most? And answering this question requires real evidence, and that's where my internship with IEG comes in. My work involves two main components, the first being a portfolio analysis, where I review hundreds of water resources management projects that have been implemented by the World Bank over the last 10 to 15 years to try to identify what are some of the main challenges that the projects wanted to address, the factors that facilitated implementation, and the successes and shortcomings of different interventions. And the second component is geospatial analysis, where I map project locations around the world, mostly in low-income countries, and combine those locations with data on water demand and water stress. And this allows us to evaluate whether projects are being implemented in areas with high water inefficiency and whether investments are aligned with local needs. And as for the impact and takeaways from this internship, first, I understand now that project evaluation can produce evidence that helps organizations and governments to prioritize future investments and hopefully make better decisions. Second, it can promote more equitable investments by helping us understand who benefits from those interventions and who may still be left behind. Third, this experience also showed me the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration because at IEG we work with people from different backgrounds and addressing these complex environmental challenges such as water stress truly requires combining perspectives from environmental science, data analysis, economics, social justice, and so on. Finally, my internship really reinforced the connection between research and practice. And it showed me how academic research, how what we do during our PhDs can contribute to more sustainable and equitable development outcomes. And that's my experience so far. Thank you so much. And I'd also like to thank the IEG team and my supervisors, as well as the urban program and Emily for making this experience possible, and my PhD supervisor and Short.